Hey guys, this is Mike, I'm Angie, we are from Ontario, Canada, and this video is for video response for Keeping It Dutch, and he made me do it.
And I'm married to her, so she made me do it.
So as the title says, Keeping It Dutch, who is a YouTube channel, made us do this video. Not really, but he has a homesteading channel over, and I put the link for his channel down below in the description, so I highly suggest you go over and check his channel out, because it's because of channels like his that we are doing what we're doing. So one day we hope to inspire someone, even if it's just one person or family, we hope to inspire someone to be able to follow their dreams, whatever it may be. So
stop living to work and work to live.
Yeah, we have 3 more sleeps. Just 3 more sleeps until we are done our 9 to 5 kind of lifestyle. We've been watching so many people and so many channels do over the past maybe 5 years now. We're actually at a spot where we can do it. So I want to thank you to the channel Keeping It Dutch. I highly recommend you guys subscribe. He's an awesome channel, awesome family, lots of information. So yeah, so he's trying to get to 100,000 subscribers, and right now, the last time I checked, I think he was at 98. So I just wanted to say that
it's cold.
It's very cold. We are in Ontario, Canada, and where we are right now, all the snow is gone. However, where we're moving to, it's not quite gone yet.
It will be. It will be this week, though.
I hope so.
Yes.
But I just wanted to really, on a serious note, it's channels like Keeping It Dutch that put out content, excuse me, that is awesome.
You know what? And they make us believe that we could do it too.
Totally.
Like, follow the dream.
Right?
Be free in this world.
Yep. So we're about to embark on, we hope, an amazing adventure. We're going to start homesteading, and we just recently purchased an off-grid cabin in the middle of nowhere, and we want to start homesteading.
Yep. And
we're in our early 40s, and we don't know how it's going to work out.
That's the basis for an adventure.
Well, right. And it's always, I know for me, it's always been a dream of mine to do this. So I know he has missed the country greatly. So, yeah. That's
so
about it.
Get rid of the 9 to 5. Get out in the woods. Start enjoying Mother Nature again.
And animals.
And animals.
And animals.
And animals.
And animals. And we're down at the lake, and
prison.
No, that's what you were supposed to say. Keeping It Dutch made me do it.
Oh, Keeping It Dutch made me do it.
Blah, blah, blah. Let's try that again.
Step outside and enjoy the world that you're in.
Yeah.